Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Now this is the life process chapter part 2. Now question number 1 is breathing or respiration is considered a catabolic activity due to. Answer is breaking down intricate or complex food compounds. Now clarification is in respiration elaborate or complex food molecules, predominantly glucose, undergo decomposition into simpler forms, releasing energy that a cell can use. Consequently, respiration is classified as a catabolic process. Let's see question number 2. Which of the options provided is incorrect? Correct option is the esophagus produce digestive enzymes. Now clarification is the esophagus, also known as the food pipe, is a muscular tube that connects the mouth to the stomach in the digestive system. Its primary function is to facilitate the transportation of ingested foods and liquids from the mouth to the stomach through coordinated muscle contractions known as peristalsis. Unlike some digestive organs, the esophagus does not secrete digestive enzymes. Its lining is designed to withstand the abrasion caused by the passage of food. The lower esophageal sphincter, a muscular valve, regulates the entry of food into the stomach and prevents stomach contents from refluxing into the esophagus. Now let's see question number 3. In cases of significant blood pressure decline, it is advisable to administer the hormone. Answer is adrenaline. Now clarification is because it acts as a vasoconstrictor causing blood vessels to constrict. This effect helps elevate blood pressure by increasing the force of the heart's contractions and narrowing blood vessels, thereby improving blood flow and oxygen delivery to vital organs. Adrenaline also stimulates the release of stored glucose, providing additional energy to the body in times of stress or low blood pressure. Now question number 4 is what is the percentage of sunlight that plants capture? Our answer is 2 to 10%. Now let's see clarification. The percentage of sunlight captured by plants known as photosynthetic efficiency varies among different plant species. On average, plants utilize approximately 1 to 2% or 2 to 10% of the sunlight that reaches them for photosynthesis. This low efficiency is due to factors such as the limitations of the photosynthetic process and the inability of plants to absorb certain wavelengths of light. The captured sunlight is then converted into chemical energy through photosynthesis, where plants use carbon dioxide and water to produce glucose and oxygen. Despite the relatively low efficiency, photosynthesis is a crucial process for sustaining life on Earth by providing energy for plants and subsequently for the entire food chain. Now let's see question number 5. The absence of double circulation occurs in dash. Then correct answer is fishes. No clarification is double circulation involves the blood passing through the heart twice as seen in birds and mammals, including humans. On the other hand, fishes have a heart with 2 chambers resulting in a unidirectional and closed circulatory system. Let's see question number 6. The kidneys act as the chief chemical regulators in our body. How? The answer is the kidneys uphold the chemical balance of the blood. Let's see clarification. The kidneys serve as the primary excretory organs responsible for regulating the chemical composition of the blood through the removal and absorption of salts, amino acids, glucose, and ions. This role earns the kidneys the title of the body's master chemist. Now let's see question number 7. Identify the incorrect statements from the following. Then our correct answer is all of the above mentioned. Clarification is no. You can see in option A, peristaltic motions do not happen uniformly throughout the esophagus, and this is incorrect statement. So correct statement is the esophagus experiences peristaltic activity aiding in the propulsion of food through the digestive system. And when we see the option number B, we have the trachea lacks rings of cartilage. Then its correct statement is the trachea is equipped with cartilage rings which safeguard against airway collapse during fluctuations in breathing pressure. Now option number C, platelets are absent in the blood, and it is also incorrect statement. So its correct statement is blood typically contains between 1,50,000 to 4,50,000 platelets, playing a crucial role in clot formation. Now let's see question number 8. Blood pressure is elevated or high in dash and reaches its lowest point in dash. Then our correct option is arteries and relaxed atria. Now let's see clarification. In systole, the heart contraction propels blood into arteries with the highest pressure observed as it exits the heart through the aorta. Subsequently, the pressure diminishes gradually as blood travels through smaller vessels, arteries, arterioles, and capillaries. In atrial diastole, when both atria are relaxing and filling blood pressure reaches its lowest level. Now let's see question number 9. The internal carotid artery supplies blood to which organ or area? Our answer is brain. Now let's see clarification. While comprising only 2% of the body, the brain consumes up to 20% of the body's oxygen. It holds a primary position in the allocation of oxygen-rich blood facilitated by the internal carotid arteries and vertebral arteries transporting blood from the heart to the brain. Now let's see question number 10. Select the accurate answer from the provided alternatives regarding blood pressure in a one-circuit circulatory system. So our correct option is decreases notably following the completion of gas exchange. Now let's see clarification. In fishes with a single circuit circulatory system, the heart, known as a venous heart, does not receive oxygenated blood from the gills. Instead, oxygenated blood is directly distributed throughout the body, losing pressure due to the absence of a pushing force. Only deoxygenated blood enters the auricle and then the ventricle. The deoxygenated blood is pumped to the gills for oxygenation from the ventricle. The blood flow in this system is slow and the pressure is low. So if you like my channel, please like and subscribe my channel.